Good morning, class 3rd, and welcome you all in social studies class. I am Pinky Missy, your SST teacher. So, class, our today's topic is very interesting. How? Let's see. So, can you see things around you? Yes, we see lots of things around us every day, right? So, what do we call it? It is called environment, and it is our today's topic. So what is environment? The natural surroundings around us. Basically, all the living and non-living things around us, including houses, buildings, people, animal, land, air and water, makes our environment. Environment is necessary for our healthy living, and also environment provides all of our needs. It fulfills our basic needs. How? Let's see. Environment gives us so many things like oxygen. We get oxygen from the air, we get water from the rain that flows into the lakes and streams and rivers. We get food from plants and animals. We make shelter from the wood that we get from the trees. It all comes under our environment. That's why environment provides all of our needs. But due to the various human activities, our environment has been polluted. It is no longer safe and healthy for us. Pollution level has raised so much that is affecting our environment. So what is pollution? Something that makes our environment dirty and unhealthy is called pollution. It causes various infections and diseases to our environment. There are 4 kinds of pollutions available in our environment. And what are they? They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So what is air pollution? Air pollution affects the air and is usually caused by smoke, dust, dirt and other harmful gases released from the factories and from the vehicles we use in our everyday life. It makes the air dirty that you cannot breathe the fresh air. Next, water pollution. Water pollution refers to the pollution of water bodies such as rivers, seas, oceans and groundwater. How? People dump waste from their homes and factories that get mixed into the water bodies. Also, animals and people bathe into the river that pollutes the water. It makes the water unhealthy and we cannot drink that dirty water. It also causes various diseases such as typhoid. So, we cannot drink that dirty water. Next, land pollution. Land pollution refers to the damage of land surface and it results into the infertility of the land. Means the chemical released from the factories get mixed into the soil and it destroys the soil fertility. And if the soil is not fertile, we cannot grow crops over there. Also, the people dispose garbage on the road that makes the road look dirty and unhygienic. It gives birth to various health diseases. Lastly, the noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to the sound that is unpleasant and unwanted. such as loud music, honking vehicles, and bursting of firecrackers. And this high sound can damage our hearing power. So, these four types of pollution are mainly responsible for our environment. But what can we do to make our environment healthy and clean? Can you help us to keep our environment clean and healthy? Yes, we can keep our environment clean and healthy in several ways. We need to take some sincere steps, such as we should not throw garbage on the roads. We should always throw garbage in dustbin, and we should also stop the people who throw garbage out of their house. We should stop animals and people who bathe into the river. We should avoid bursting crackers, listening loud music. We should also avoid dumping factory waste in any of water bodies. We can walk for a short distance, or we can use a cycle. That will reduce the air pollution. And lastly, we can plant more and more trees to get to get the fresh air. And the main thing, we need to spread the awareness in our society. Some people who don't know the effects of such dirty environment, we need to tell them. So class, I hope this topic is clear to you. So do your worksheet carefully and enjoy it. Thank you and have a great day.